Just
Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair under a wig. And yes, it's very important to moisturize your hair because it prevents your hair from breaking and also from being dry and brittle and frizzy. And when you moisturize your hair will grow. So if you are like me and wants to grow your hair, you definitely need to moisturize, and I'm going to be showing you how I do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie the rest of my hair, and also start by working in sections. As you can see, my hair is still in their braids, so I'm just gonna unravel all my braids with my fingers first. And as you can see, my hair is still curled. It has its curls, but it's very dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair first with my fingers. And then I'm gonna get my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb it out. It's very important that you use a wide tooth comb to comb your hair, and also you make sure that you start from the ends of your hair to the roots of your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my water. This is my warm water, and I'm gonna sprinkle some of that onto my hair. I like using water first to moisturize my hair. I just go in with my fingers and just rub the water onto my hair. It's very important that you moisturize your hair first with water, because water is the best ingredient for your hair, and as you know, our hair is like a plant. You just need to water it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush to kind of like seal in that moisture of water into my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Lotta Body leave-in conditioner. You can use whichever leave-in conditioner you have. I am using this one, and I love this leave-in conditioner because it's very thick and also it's very lightweight when I apply it on my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it from the ends of my hair to the roots of my hair, just to make sure that I circulate it onto my hair so that all the strands of my hair have moisture. And this is perfect because you want to make sure that you get a leave-in conditioner that has water as its first ingredient. So make sure that you check the ingredients of your leave-in conditioner before you use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my castor oil. You can use whichever oil that you have or whichever oil works for you. I like to use castor oil because I ran out of my avocado oil. Anyway, so the reason why you want to use an oil is that it will enable your hair to become softer and shinier while adding moisture retention, but also it will enable you to penetrate your hair shafts as well as adding moisture again into your hair. And for my third step, I'm going to be using my cream. I'm using the AU Natural Moisturizing Cream, and that's how it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and apply it starting from my ends to the roots of my hair. And as you have seen that I've been doing the same method, starting from my ends of my hair to the roots of my hair. And I'm going to make sure that I gently apply that onto my hair as I detangle my hair using my fingers. And the cream is supposed to lock in the moisture of the oil so that your hair will be moisturized for a longer period of time, so that you won't have to do this method every day. So I honestly will do this every week. I don't do this every day. I only do it once a week. So you want to make sure that you follow these steps so that you can be able to retain moisture onto your hair, and you don't have to do this every single day. And I feel like this is so much easier for me, and I feel like my hair is still moisturized at the end of the week. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. So what I did was I unraveled my twists, and as you can see, these are old twists. These twists have been there for like about 2 weeks, and I'm going to unravel them. You can use a comb, you can use your fingers, whichever works for you. And it's funny because I was singing the whole time in this video, but it's so much fun when you're doing your hair and you're listening to music, like your favorite songs. It's cool because it makes the whole process very fun, and yeah, you know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this twist, and as you can see, my hair is pretty much curled. I'm just bringing you up close and past to know that's how my curls are looking, but as you can see, my hair is pretty much very dry. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my water into my hair, and I'm gonna concentrate so much on my ends because those are the oldest parts of your hair. And I'm going to massage the water onto my hair. And I want to tell you guys, my hair loves water. Like, I do this every morning and every night where I just sprinkle water onto these braids. So I know my hair loves water. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the My White Tooth comb to just comb out all the knots on my hair, just to make sure that I detangle my hair. And then as you can see, my hair is very much moisturized, even just putting water on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Lotta Body, like I said. And as you can see, it's very creamy, but it's very lightweight. It goes onto my hair very nicely, and it smells so good, by the way. It does smell good. So I'm gonna massage that onto my hair. I make sure that I take my time when I'm doing this. I massage my scalp when I'm doing this. At the same time, I also go in with my brush and detangle some more. You just want to give your hair some love. And as you can see, there's totally a difference already onto my hair. You can see my hair is shining. You can see that it has some breath. I don't know. So also you can take the advantage to to give your head a scalp massage or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the castor oil. Like I mentioned, you can use whichever oil that you have, and this is to seal in the moisture of your leave-in conditioner. So go ahead and oil that hair as you stretch it out and give it more oil. And then I am completely done with my entire head. Yes, you can see my hair is so much moisturized. You can see my braids are very much moisturized. My ends are more moisturized. And that's the whole point of this video. So that's basically what I do for my hair under a wig. Hopefully you enjoy this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it out. And if you don't have a satin bonnet and you're natural, or you're trying to be natural, you just need to invest in buying a satin bonnet, just to kind of like tuck all that moisture that you've put in your hair away. So that's basically it. That's how much I was able to lose in terms of shedding or any left out over hair. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to, and I'm gonna give you a dance because yes, thank you for watching this video until the end. That's the dance for you. Anyway, so I'm gonna go through the things that I was able to use. I used the white tooth comb and the brush. I use water. I use a leave-in conditioner and the oil of your choice, and then the cream. I use the AU Natural cream butter, moisturizing cream butter, whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna go to sleep. Bye.